My name is Onyekachukwu. I just graduated Charles River Flowers High School. I'm going to University of Maryland. My favorite part of this week had to have been the modeling. It was just really a fun experience, just trying to use like small resources to represent like a bigger overall piece. What I was focusing on in my project was just trying to get like a wavy aesthetic across. I started off with like a dead leaf, but it had like all these different curves in it. So I had to basically make those curves make sense on like in a real life perspective. That was what I was working on mainly. I think Fallingwater is just bigger than I expected, to be honest. It really helped for my piece. I wanted to get like a nature feel, so I just had this environment around me, so like it was pretty easy to get that point across. I definitely learned to personalize my houses to whatever like needs I need. Like some of those buildings I couldn't fit in, but some of the clients were like 5 something, I'm 60, so I had to like bend for some of the houses, and that was funny. But he definitely showed me how to incorporate nature into my works. I don't want to have to cut down a lot of trees just to like make this one house. I want to like have a nature feel, but you know, and a spacey environment too.